Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simple Home Decor. Smaller kitchens can function just as well as their larger counterparts with a few thoughtful hacks. If you are contending with a little kitchen, focus on organization, finding storage solutions that work for you, and perhaps few tricks to make the room feel larger. We spend a lot of time in kitchen. It's the heart of home after all. While having a big, spacious cooking space is a dream for many homeowners, small kitchens can be just as functional when properly designed and organized. Whether your kitchen design is modern, traditional, or contemporary, it's possible to infuse personality into small spaces. To help you make most of your limited square footage, we rounded up small kitchen ideas that pack a lot of style. Tackle kitchen clutter by putting up shelves, hanging pots from ceiling, or bringing in a rolling cart. If you are dreaming up a major refresh, consider painting cabinets a fresh shade. Light colors make a small room pop, or install a tiny kitchen island that doubles as extra counter space. Try experimenting with checkerboard floors, layering in vintage accents, or taking a kitchen backsplash all the way to the ceiling. Small kitchens still need to do all the work a regular sized kitchen does, but often with half the space. This means how you organize your small kitchen is a crucial to its functionality and feel. An unorganized kitchen can be hard to use and feel cluttered. Bulky pots and pans can present quite storage puzzle in a small kitchen. One option is to hang them above your stovetop or countertop. If you have extra wall space between your cabinets and your countertops, try adding a shelf. The shelf can store extra pretty kitchen items or frequently used ones along with decor and cookbooks. Cabinets that reach all the way up to the ceiling are a blessing to those with small kitchens. Use this hard to reach storage space to keep less frequently used pots, pans, and kitchen appliances. These upper cabinets are also great spot for seasonal dishes. Consider keeping items near where they are most used. For example, a favorite cutting board can be stored near countertop and stovetop where they are handy. Mugs can be kept near coffee machine and glasses can be kept near a fridge or sink. If you have the space elsewhere in your home, consider storing some items outside the kitchen. This works well for coffee or bar equipment and frees up space for other kitchen necessities to be stored and organized. Dish racks can be bulky and ugly, so look for the one with a sleeker footprint for your smaller kitchen, which can fit inside the sink or that can be easily be stored away when not in use. Small kitchen can easily look cluttered, so it's important to do carefully consider what isn't hidden away by a cabinet. If you want to use open shelving to store everyday dishes, and glasses, try to source pieces that will stand out and also act as a decor for your space. If you have extra counter space but not enough cabinet space, try storing cookbooks or other items that would normally go in a cabinet on the countertop. Keep it to a minimum to avoid a cluttered look. If you have a space on the top of your cabinets in your small kitchen, try storing bulky or oversized kitchen equipment like picnic baskets or giant pots. Don't neglect the space under the sink. There's a plenty of room to store extra cleaning supplies, dish towels, and dishwasher tablets, and you can get some pretty neat under the sink organizers, stacked with multiple shelves to double the space while keeping everything neat and tidy. If you are lucky enough to have a window in your kitchen, use the sill to display plants or your favorite cookbook collections. It will add a nice pop of color too. Your walls can hold more than you think. Instead of hanging a couple more than limiting shelves, try a pegboard, which adds flexible storage space that can be adjusted over time as your needs change. Use little shelves wherever you can. Again, we are not anti shelves. We are just prefer narrow ones over deep ones so that nothing gets lost. How narrow? Really narrow, like just deep enough for one row of bottle jars. You can also put them almost anywhere. Pots, spoons, mugs, oven mitts, anything that can be hung should be hung. Hanging things frees up cabinet and counter space and turns into decor. If you have cabinets that don't butt up against the wall, you have got a few square feet of bonus storage space to hang pot rail, kitchen tools, and more. Add shelf risers wherever you can. Put shelf risers in your cabinets or in your counter to double up on storage space where you can. Hope you liked the organization ideas of small kitchens. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.